Tryna suck your job, bitches be leeching. My niggas be geeking, and if you tweaking, they gon' be reaching. For the weapon, no question. Send your ass straight to heaven. Right up front, 7-Eleven. All my niggas is felons. No snitching, no telling. Nigga, what weapon? All you bitches is jealous. Lying like shit be wellin'. Nobody seen shit. Just know he the mean grip. Put the tip to his lip. Pour the shit, then he dip. Nobody seen nothing. Just know that nigga was bluffing. He was sweet as a muffin. Now that they callin' him stuffing. Shot his sing, David Ruffin. Hit his spleen, now we gushing. Nigga, you don't want nothing. Better get to running and ducking. Go to her crib, get buzzed in. She liking my swag, she blushing. She cute, she fly, she stunning. On Wednesday, woman crushing. She know that I came for one thing. The kissing and rubbing and shoving. The squeezing and biting and tugging. Not doing no hugging, no loving. Don't tell me got shit in the oven. She switched on her nigga, I something. But I stick to the code, no cuffing. I stick to the code, no cuffing. Bitches know I'm too cool. Can't be me, do you? Never ever play a fool. Run up home and you lose. Your mama crying boo-hoo. Picking out brand new suits. Seen your face on the news. It's up to you, you choose. I'm kinda crazy, loose screws. I get it lit, I'm the fuse. And I'm trying to check the juice. Dripping sauce, watch it ooze. Ooh, brand new J's with a brand new pair of trues too. Ooh, brand new coupe, blood gang, cherry Sue. Ooh, ooh, my shooters on the roof. Ooh, they pointing and gunning at you. So nigga, what you gonna do? You better disappear, poof. All your diamonds is a spoof, and all your bitches is a goof. You're lying, I'm the truth. It's just me and my crew. We been fly, we flew, and we the next on the queue. And this is the breakthrough.